Cisco Secure Workload, application dependency, drilling into policies. So we start moving towards segmentation. So we're already in our workspace. We've ran application dependency mapping. This is what it's dynamically discovered. Really, really neat how it pulls all of the communication between the consumer, which is the client, the provider, which is the server, and then you've got the services here. When we look at this service, we can see HTTP is being used between the consumer and provider. We can jump in and view the conversation. This is specifically what the conversation is and the protocol being used. We can also look at some other stats here as well. If you look at flows, we've got information around flow search. We have policy analysis, and finally enforcement. Let's go ahead and do a quick search here. And this is going to search over workloads, clusters, and policies. And we're going to look for HTTPD, the process itself. And we'll go ahead and hit search. And here we can see the workload, the services that's being provided by that workload. We can see them called out here. And we can see port 80 obviously being user sbin HTTPD is the actual service that's running. Pretty neat. Now, as we move along, we can also see, if we drill into that, we can see the user is actually Apache, and the command line, obviously, we can see that there as well. We saw that before we drilled into it, actually. Now, from here, what we could do is go ahead and close what it provides. We can also look at what it consumes, and there are the ports of what elements it consumes, and then distinctive processes are called out here as well. Now that's pretty neat, and it's critical to understand truly what's going on in the asset in order for us to make segmentation policies functional. The goal here is to limit the access of the system itself to only things that are required.